What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to consider a topic. We have talked about a lot of stuff. Just like in previous vid, we talk about something else, we talk about something very obnoxious. But in the reminder of the skin that we talk about, there are a lot of things happen. We talked about blister in the previous vid. Today we are going to talk about something else. You know, there are so many syndromes that occur in our body. One of them is known as Down syndrome. But it is a chromosomal syndrome, and to understand what is a chromosomal syndrome, let us talk about it. A chromosome. You have these words, chromosomal and syndrome. Syndrome is a disease. But chromosomal, what does it mean? Chromosomal means chromosome, a structure in nucleus which carries the information or the synthesis of heredity is known as chromosome. And chromosome is made of nucleic acid, or we could say deoxyribonucleic acid, aka DNA. Chromosome is made of DNA, and in chromosome it has so many structures. A chromosome is made of a DNA, it is made of a string of DNA and some protein as well. It is likely made of that. But in the same case as well, as knowing as it is made of DNA, there's a centrome in chromosome. And chromosome has a centrome in it. And the centrome is the midpoint, or the point which is the squeezing surface of it. Yeah, it is known as centrome. Centrome or primary constriction. Primary constriction, I would say that. Those are the two names of it. And at the centrome, the things that goes out of the chromosome are known as arms. Those are the arms of chromosome. And these are the things for chromosome. And how does chromosome known as? But beside that as well, we were talking about chromosome. Chromosome has its 4 subtypes. There are 4 subtypes of chromosome. Metacentric chromosome, submetacentric chromosome, acrocentric chromosome, and telocentric chromosome. And in metacentric chromosome, the thing which is known as centrome, the restricted part, is at the midpoint. Of the chromosome. Instead of submetacentric, it is nearly at the midpoint. So you get the memo over here. We are talking about nearly. So first one looks like a V, second one looks like something a bit of L, and the third one, which is known as acrocentric, it looks like a J, and telocentric, it looks like a I, the capital letter I. I would not say capital, it is a small letter of I. Those are the 4 subtypes of chromosome. And a chromosome has its own type as well. And inside of the chromosome, there are genes which is in the DNA. And genes are the structure, genes are the fundamental unit of heredity, because they carry the information for the transfer of characteristics from the to the offspring from the parents. This is the thing that happens over there. So this is the thing that our gene does, and this is all a chromosomal activity. So there are limited amount of chromosome in every organism. For instance, us human have total 46 chromosome, or you could say that it is a 23 pair. So we human have 23 pair of chromosomes. So instead of saying that, there are limited amount of it. But the thing that I am going to talk about here, we are talking about chromosomal thing. Yeah. So we were talking about Down syndrome. Down syndrome is a type of disease that happens when an extra amount of chromosome gets added to the 21st pair of. So in the 21st pair of human, an extra amount of, so it is supposed to be either XX or XY. So instead of having xx and xy, it is xxy. So there are 3 instead of 2. So pair is more. A pair is given more at that time. And when the pair is given more, so it would have gotten worse. And that was thing. So because of that, the mental activity, the working thing gets slower. And this is known as Down syndrome. I hope you understand all of these things. If you didn't understand, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.